Container widgets allow you to apply settings and style to a group of widgets, as well as customize your campaign's layout. To add a container to your campaign, choose the container from the Add Widgets panel and add it to your Edit Widgets panel or the Preview area. Drag and drop widgets into the container. Using 2 and 3 column containers allow you to customize the layout of your campaign without the use of code. As a best practice, use containers to organize similar content within your campaign. For example, add all of your header content to a header container, all of the content in the entry area to an entry container, and all of the content at the foot of your campaign to a footer container. When adding widgets to a container, applying visibility settings, style attributes, or backgrounds to the container will automatically impart those settings to the widgets within it. For example, I'll set the visibility of this container to stop showing on a specific date and time. The visibility settings will be applied to all of the content within this container. You can also use an action widget to show, hide, scroll to, or pop up a container. Use the Style panel to apply style attributes to a container, such as a background, justification, or padding.